السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome dear students, second prep revision, second term, first algebra. Complete the following. If 3 power x minus 2 equal 27, then x equal, we can take 27 and factorize 27 by divided by 3 will equal 9. 9 divided by 3 will equal 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Then 27, it's 3 power 3. Therefore, 3 power x minus 2 will equal 27 equals 3 power 3 because the bases are equal. Therefore, the powers are equal. X minus 2 will equal 3. X minus 2 equals 3. Therefore, x equal 3 plus 2. Then value of x equal 5. Number 2. 3 power x equal 81. Then x equal 81 divided by 3 will equal 9. 27. 27 divided by 3 equal 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Therefore, 81 it's equal 3 power 4. Then 3 power x equal 3 power 4. Because the bases are equal, therefore the powers equal, then x equal 4. Number 3. 3 over 5 power x equal 27 over 125. 27 divided by 3 will equal 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Then 27 will equal 3 power 3. Then 3 over 5 all power x equal 3 power 3 over 125 divided by 5 equal 25 divided by 5 equal 5 divided by 5 equal 1. Then 125 will equal 5 power 3. And we can type 3 over 5 all power x equal, we can take power 3 from 3 and 5 outside the bracket and type inside the bracket 3 over 5. And now we have the base are equal 3 over 5 and 3 over 5. Therefore, the powers will equal, then x will equal 3. Therefore, x equal 3. Number 4. If 7 power x minus 1 equals 3 power x minus 1. Because the powers are equal and the base are different, therefore the power must be equal 0. Then x minus 1 equals 0. Then value of x will equal positive 1. Number 5. 2x over 5 equals 6. Then x minus 5 equal. First, we can take 5 to other sides by multiplication sign. Then 2x will equal 6 times 5. Then 2x equal 6 times 5 equals 30. Between 2 and x, we have multiplication sign. Then to find value of x will be equal 30 divided by 2. Then x equal 15. If x minus x plus 3 is factor of expression x power 2 plus x minus 6, then the other factor equal. We can factorize this expression trinomial to brackets. X power 2 it's equal x multiplied by x, and we need two numbers, their multiply equal negative 6 and their sum equal positive 1. Then the two numbers will be positive 3 and negative 2. We have one factor x plus 3, then the other factor will be equal x minus 2. Number 7, x plus y equal 5 and x minus y equals 3, then x power 2 minus y power 2 equal. This expression x power 2 minus y power 2, it's difference between square. And the difference between square, it's factorized in two brackets, x plus y and x minus y. and we have x plus y, the value of x plus y equal 5, and the value of x minus y equals 3, and between these two brackets we have multiplication sign. 5 multiplied by 3 will equal 15. Number 8, if x plus y equals 7 and a minus 2b equal 4, then the numerical value of expression ax plus y minus 2b multiplied by x plus y. We can take x plus y, this bracket, as a common factor. We type x plus y in bracket and open another bracket. We take x plus y as common factor. Then we have now a minus 2b. And the value of x plus y equals 7 and a minus 2b equal 4. And between these two brackets we have times. Then 7 times 4 will equal 28. Number 9. The solution set of the equation x power 2 minus 3 equals 0 in R is, first we take negative 3 to other sign by inverse sign. Then x power 2 will equal 0 plus 3, which equals 3. And power 2, we can cancel power 2 by positive or negative square root for number 3. Then the solution set will equal positive or negative square root 3. Number 10, the solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 1 equals 0. Positive 1 will go to the other side by inverse sign. Then x power 2 will equal 0 minus 1, which equal negative 1. And we can cancel power 2 with positive or negative square root for negative 1. And of course, square root negative 1, it doesn't belong to R. Then solution set will equal 5. Number 11. Fifth of the number 5 power 20 is, fifth we can take 5 power 20 and divide it by 5. And because the power of 5 is 1, and because the same base in divided, we subtract the power. We write 5 and subtract the power. 20 minus 1 will equal 5 power 20 minus 1, which equal 19. Then fifth of the 5 power 20 will equal 5 power 19. Number 12, the age of man now x years, then his age 7 years ago will equal x minus 7. 13, if x equals 3 is solution of the equation x power 2 plus 2x plus k equals 0, then value of k equal, we can type any x in this expression, which equals 3. Then x power 2 will equal 3 power 2 plus 2x will be equal 2 multiplied by 3 plus k equal 0. 3 power 2 will equal 9 plus 2 times 3 will equal 6 plus k equal 0. 9 plus 6 will equal 15. 15 plus k equal 0. Then k will equal negative 15. Number 14, the expression x power 2 minus 2x plus k is a perfect square. Then the value of k equal k in the third term, and to find third term if the expression is perfect square will be equal middle term all power 2 over 4 times the first will equal middle term negative 2x all power 2 over 4 times x power 2 will equal negative 2 power 2 will equal 4 x power 2 over 4 x power 2. 4x power 2 over 4x power 2 will equal 1. If a power 2 plus b power 2 equals 7 and ab equals 3, then a minus b all power 2 equal a minus b all power 2. Its simplest form will be 3 term. A we take first power 2, a power 2. And the middle term will be, we take the sign of the bracket negative, and middle term will equal 2 multiplied by first multiplied by second. 2 times a times b will equal 2ab. Third term, the sign of the third term must be positive sign, and we make second power 2 will equal b power 2. We have a power 2 plus b power 2 equal 7. Then we can type a power 2 plus b power 2 equal 7 minus 2ab, and we have the value of ab equals 3, and between 2 and ab we have multiplication sign. Then ab equals 3. 7 minus 2 times 3 will equal 1. 16. The probability of impossible event, of course, is equal 0. Factorize each of the following. First, we have x power 2 minus 4y power 2. It's the difference between square, and it's factorized in two brackets. One of them is positive, and the other is negative. X power 2, the square root of x power 2 will equal x, and square root of 4y power 2 will equal 2y. We type 2y in the second term, and here 2y. Number 2, x power 3 plus 8, it's the sum of two cubes. It's factorized in two brackets. One of them is small and the other is big. The sign of the small bracket, it's the same sign of the expression, positive. And the first sign in the another bracket, it's negative, because we change the sign. If here positive, then the first sign is negative. And the third sign, the third term must be positive. And now we make square root, cubic root of x power 3 will equal x, and the cubic root of 8 will equal 2. The first term here, it's equal x power 2, and the last term, it's equal 2 power 2, which equal 4, and the middle term, we multiply x by 2. X times 2 will equal 2x. Number 3 is the same, 3x power 3 minus 8y, but we have here common factor. 3 and 8y can be divisible by 3. Then we take 3 as a common factor. 3x power 3 divided by 3 will equal x power 3. Negative 8y divided by 3 will equal negative 27. Now we can factorize x power 3 minus 27. First we type the common factor and open two brackets. Cubic root of x power 3 will equal x. The sign here is negative because the expression is negative. Cubic root of 27 will equal 3. We type first power 2, x power 2, and 3 power 2 will equal 9, and the sign here must be positive, and we change the sign of negative sign will be positive here, and multiply x by 3 will equal 3x. Number 4, its expression trinomial. X power 2 minus 7x plus 10, it's factorized in two brackets. X power 2 will be equal x and x. We need two numbers, they'll multiply equal positive 10, and their sum equal negative 7 will equal negative 5 and negative 2. Negative 5 times negative 2 will equal positive 10, and the negative 5 plus negative 2 will equal negative 7. Number 5, it's trinomial, can be also factorized in two brackets. X power 2 will equal x and x multiplied by x. Two numbers, their times equal 16 and their sum equal 8. It's 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16, and 4 plus 4 equal 8. And because the two brackets are the same, we type x plus 4 all power 2. ax plus bx plus 5a plus 5b. It's 4 terms. To factorize this expression, we factorize by grouping. We take first two term as group, and third and fourth term as another group. The first two terms we have x as a common. ax divided by x will equal a. bx divided by x will equal b. And this group we have common number 5. Then we open bracket. 5a divided by 5 will equal a. And 5b divided by 5 will equal positive b. The same brackets, it's a plus b. We have the same bracket. Then we can take a plus b as common and open another bracket and type in the another bracket x plus 5. Number 7, 3x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus 12x plus 8. It's also factorized by grouping. The first two terms we have x power 2 as a common. Then we open bracket. 3x power 3 divided x power 2 will equal 3x plus 2x power 2 divided by x power 2 will equal 2 plus the another group 12x plus 8. 12 and 8 we can take number 4 as highest common factor. Then we open bracket. 12x divided by 4 will equal 3x. 8 divided by 4 will equal positive 2. It's the same bracket, 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Then we type this bracket, 3x plus 2, and open another bracket will equal x power 2 plus 4. Box contained 5 whites, 2 red, and 3 green balls. If a ball is drawn random from a box, calculate the probability of each of the following. First, the ball is white. We must first find the total will equal 5 plus 2 plus 3 will equal 10. And the probability is white. Probability of white will equal, we have 5 white over the total which equal 10. 5 over 10 will equal 1 over 2. Number 2, we need to find the probability if the ball is yellow. Probability of yellow. We have white and red and green only. Then the probability of yellow will equal 0 over 10, which equal 0. Number 3, the ball is not red. We have white, it's not red, and green, 3 green. Then probability of not red will equal 5 plus 3 green over the total which equal 10 will equal 8 over 10, and in simplest form will equal 4 over 5. Number 2, if 8 power x times 9 power x over 18 power x equals 64, find value of x. First, we can factorize 8. 8 divided by 2 will equal 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. Then 8 power x will equal 2 power x times 2 power x times 2 power x. And also you can factorize the number 9. 9 divided by 3 will equal 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Then 9 power x will equal 3 power x times 3 power x. And 18, factorize 18. 18 divided by 2 will equal 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Then 18 will equal 2 times 3 times 3. 2 power x times 2 power x times, sorry, this is 3 power x times 3 power x equal, also we can factorize 64. 64 divided by 2 will equal 32. Divided by 2 will equal 16. Divided by 2 will equal 8. Divided by 2 equal 4. Divided by 2 equal 2. Divided by 2 equal 1. Then 64 can we can type 64 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as 2 power 6. Now we can simplify the expression. We can cancel 2 power x with 2 power x, and 3 power x with 3 power x, or 3 power x with 3 power x. Now we have 2 power x multiplied by 2 power x. And because the same base, we add the power. We type only 1, 2, and add x plus x, which equal to x, equal 2 power 6. Because the base are equal, then the power also equal. Then 2x equal 6. Then the value of x will equal 6 divided by 2. Then x equal 3. Number 3, find the solution set where x belongs to R of x power 2 minus 8x plus 12 equal 0. X power 2 minus 8x plus 12, it's trinomial. It can factorize it as 2 brackets. X power 2 will equal x and x. Two numbers, their times equal 12, and their sum equal negative 8, which equal negative 6 and negative 2. Negative 6 times negative 2 equal positive 12, and the negative 6 plus negative 2 will equal negative 8. Then we can type x minus 6, which equal 0, and x minus 2 equal 0. Then value of x here is equal 0 plus 6, which equal positive 6. And x minus 2, negative 2 will go to the other side with positive 2. 0 plus 2 equal 2. Then we have two values for x. Then the solution set will equal 6 and positive 2. Solve in R the equation x multiplied by x minus 2 and the negative 2 multiplied by 2 minus x equals 0. X times x will equal x power 2. X times negative 2 will equal negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2 will equal negative 4. Negative 2 times negative x will equal positive x. Positive 2x equal 0. Then x power 2, negative 2 plus 2, negative 2x plus 2x is the same like algebraic term. Then we can add the coefficient. Negative 2 plus 2 equal 0. Minus 4 equal 0. Negative 4 will go to the other side with positive sign. Then x power 2 equal positive 4. And we can cancel power 2 with positive or negative square root of 4. Then x equal positive or negative 2. And the solution set will equal positive or negative 2. Second geometry. First, complete in triangle ABC. If AC power 2 is smaller than AB power 2 plus BC power 2, then the type of the angle B is the opposite angle of AC. Then the angle B must be acute angle. If AC power 2 equal AB power 2 plus BC power 2, then the angle B must be right. And if AC power 2 is greater than AB power 2 plus BC power 2, then the angle B will be obtuse angle. Number 2, in the opposite figure, ABC is right angle triangle at A and the ED perpendicular to BC. Then AD power 2 will equal DC multiplied by DB. DC times DB. Number 3, in triangle ABC, if AB power 2 equal BC power 2 plus AC power 2, then the angle opposite to AB, angle C, must be equal right, 90 degree, and the measure of angle B equal 50. Then measure of angle A will equal 180 minus 90 plus 50 equal 40. In triangle ABC, AB equal 8 cm, BC equal 9, and the EC equal 6. Then the type of this triangle according to the measure of its angles. The longest side here is BC. BC power 2 will equal 9 power 2, which equal 81. Then the other two sides AB and EC, we add EB power 2 plus AC power 2, which equal 8 power 2 plus 6 power 2 will equal 100, because BC power 2, the longest side power 2, 81, is smaller than the other two sides, EB power 2 plus EC power 2, then the type of the triangle is acute. Then triangle ABC is acute. Acute angled. Number 5. In the two similar polygons, their corresponding angles are equal in measure. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, and the measure of angle B plus measure angle C equals 70, angle B plus angle C equal 70 degree. Then also angle Y and angle Z, their sum equal 70 degree. Then the value of x equal will equal 180 minus 70, which equal 110 degree, because the sum of the angles of the triangle equal 180. Number 7, if two polygons are similar and the ratio between the lengths of two corresponding sides is 2 to 5, then the ratio between their perimeters is also 2 to 5. The ratio between sides is the same ratio between the perimeters of two similar polygons. 8. If the ratio of an enlargement between two triangles equal 1, then the two triangles are, because the ratio between two similar triangles equal 1, then the two triangles must be congruent. 9. The area of rhombus is 24 centimeter square, with the length of one of its diagonals 8 centimeter, then the length of the other diagonal equal. To find diagonal 2, we can make magic triangle here. Area equal 0.5 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. To find the diagonal 2 will be equal area over 0.5 times diagonal 1, which equal area equal 24 over 0.5 times the length of diagonal 1, 8, half times 8 equal 4, 24 divided by 4 equals 6 centimeters. Then, if the area of square is 50 centimeter square, then its diagonal length equal, to find the diagonal of square, equal square root 2 times the area, which equal square root 2 times 50 equal 10 centimeter. 11. If the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 30 and the height is 5, then its area equal. Equilateral triangle, its all sides are equal, and because the perimeter is 30, then each side equal 10 centimeter, and the height is 5 centimeter. The height is the line perpendicular from the vertex to the base. Height here equal 5. Then the area will equal 0.5 times base times the height, which equal 0.5 times 10 times 5 will be equal 25 centimeter square. Number 12, ABCD is parallelogram in which EB equal 5, BC equal 10, and the smaller height is 4, then its area equal. To find the area, we have here EB is the smaller base and BC is the longer base, and we have smaller height, then the area will be equal base times height, the long base times small height. If we have greater height, we will multiply the small base times greater height equal long base equal 10 times smaller height equal 4. 10 times 4 will equal 40 centimeter square. Choose the correct answer. If the projection of the line segment on a straight line is a point, then the line segment must be perpendicular to the straight line. ABCD is parallelogram. E belongs to BC, then the area of parallelogram ABCD equal the area of triangle EED. We have here parallelogram. Its name ABCD, A, B, C, D. The point E belongs to BC. We have here point E. The area of triangle ADE will be equal half the area of parallelogram, or the area of parallelogram is twice the area of triangle. The area of this triangle, half the parallelogram, or the area of parallelogram equal twice the area of the triangle. 3. The diagonal of isosceles trapezium are congruent or equal in length. If XL is median in triangle XYZ, then the area of triangle XYZ equal the area of triangle XYL. We have here triangle XYL, XYZ triangle, and XL is median drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Then the area of triangle XYZ will be equal twice the area of triangle XYL, will equal twice the area of XYL. The trapezium whose middle base equal 9 and the height equal 6, then its area, the area of trapezium will equal middle base times the height, which equal 9 times 6 equal 54 centimeter square. Under the following, ABCD is quadrilateral in which measure of angle ADC equal 90, AB equal 7 centimeter, BC equal 24, CD equal 20, and EB equal 15. Prove that measure of angle ABC equal 90 degree. First, in triangle ADC, because the measure of angle D equal 90, we can find the length of AC. AC is the hypotenuse in this triangle by Pythagoras theorem. Then we can prove that the measure of angle ABC is 90 degree. First, in triangle ACD, since that measure of angle D equal 90 degree, therefore length of AC will equal square root 20 power 2 plus 15 power 2 will equal 25 centimeter. Then we have here AC is 25. Now in triangle ABC, the longest side here is EC, since EC power 2 equal 25 power 2 equal 625, and the other two sides AB and BC, AB power 2 plus BC power 2 will be equal 7 power 2 plus 24 power 2 will equal also 625, since that EC power 2 equal the other two sides power 2, AB power 2 plus BC power 2. Therefore, then the measure of angle B equal 90 degree. The measure of angle ABC equal 90. Number 2, in the opposite figure, we have AC is parallel to DE. AB equals 3, BD equals 6, BE equal 8, and EC equal 5. First, prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE. We can prove that the two triangles are similar by the angles because that AC is parallel to ED. Then we have alternate angles AC and DE. We have transversal AD, it's alternate. Then measure of angle A equal measure angle D, and also measure of angle C will equal measure of angle E. Then measure angle A will equal measure angle D because they are alternate angle, and measure of angle C equal measure of angle E, it's also alternate angle. And we have angle ABC will be equal angle DBE because they are vertical opposite angles, and measure of angle ABC equal measure of angle DBE because they are vertical opposite angle. And because the three angles of triangle ABC equal three angles of triangle DBE, then these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBE. And because they are similar, then the sides are proportional. Therefore, we can type the ratio of sides AB, BC, and first with third AC over first and second letter DB and BE and DE. And we type the length of the sides. EB equals 3 centimeter. Therefore, EB equals 3. DB equals 6. BC, we don't have BC. And BE equal 8. AC, the length of AC equal 5. And DE, we don't have DE. Then we can find BC. We can make cross multiplication. Therefore, BC equal 3 multiplied by 8 over 6 will equal 4 centimeter. And DE will equal 5 times 6 over 3 equal 5 times 6 over 3 will equal 10 centimeter. In the opposite figure, we have ED parallel to BC and PX equals CX. We need to prove that area of ABXO equal area of DCXO. First, we can prove that two triangles AOB and triangle DOC have the same area. Since that DA parallel to BC, and we can take AD as a common base or BC, and AD is a common base. Therefore, the area of triangle ADB will equal area of triangle ADC. Therefore, area of triangle ADB equal area of triangle ADC. By subtract the area of triangle ADO, by subtracting area of triangle ADO, therefore area of triangle AOB, the area of this triangle, equal area of triangle DOC. Therefore, area of triangle AOB equal area of triangle DOC. And in triangle OBC in triangle OBC, since that XB equal XC and O is a common vertex, therefore area of triangle OXB, this triangle, will equal area of triangle OXC. If we have two triangles with the bases equal and with common vertex, therefore the area of these two triangles are equal, then area of triangle OXB equal area of triangle OXC. And we can number this step with 1 and this step 2 by adding 1 to 2, by adding area of triangle AOB with triangle OXB. We can find area of ABXO will be equal area of triangle DOC with triangle OXC by adding 1 and 2, by adding 1 and 2. Therefore area of ABXO will equal area of DCXO. Number 4, ABC is right angle triangle at A, AD perpendicular to BC, BD equal 9, CD equal 16, find the length of AB and the projection of EC on AD and the area of triangle ABC. First, because measure of angle A equal 90 and AD perpendicular to BC, we can find AB with Euclidean theorem. Then AB bar 2 will equal BD times BC. AB bar 2 equal BD times BC. BD equal 9 times BC. The length of BC equal 9 plus 16 equal 25 centimeter. 9 times 25 equal 225. Then we can cancel power 2. Find AB will equal square root 225, which equal 15 centimeter. And the projection of AC on AD will equal AD. A in the same point on AD, and the perpendicular from C to AD is point D. Then projection of AC on AD straight line is AD, and the length of AD power 2 will equal BB multiplied by DC equal 9 times 16. 9 times 16 equal 144. Therefore AD equal square root of 144, equal 12 centimeter. Then we have length of ED equal 12 and BC equal 25. To find the area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal half times base times height, which equals 0.5 times base times height equal 0.5. The length of the base BC equal 25 times the length of the height AD equal 12 will be equal 150 centimeter square. Thanks for watching and goodbye.